Hello, this is Chamber from Reno CTS, and this is Post-Apocalyptic Review. Today we are reviewing my Romak AK47. What you'll notice here, it has slight variations rather than traditional AK47. First difference is this custom knob right here for easy, safe release. It has come in handy many times before and great for hunting or to quick fire. Next thing is the scope. The scope is just a laser line scope I got for about $40. It is about a 4-power scope, but it actually makes it really easy to go on target. Out of every weapon I have probably fired since I've been about 21, this right here, I got at the age of 21, is still top dog out of every weapon I probably ever fired. I have probably dumped close to 3,000 rounds since I got it used. Actually, 3,000 rounds, it's going on 4,000 rounds. But I did almost 3,000 rounds without doing a full cleaning on the inside. All I did was swab the barrel and oil the slide. I haven't done a full cleaning until then, and not one single failure. Not one. And I've only used the metal mags. I have not used any of the polymer or any of the other type of mags, just regular steel mags. And I know this is also the most disgraced rifle, well, if you're any AR-15 lover. You know, some of you fans are a little bit too hardcore on your weapons. Just to be dead honest, ARs do have their pros, but no matter how much you can tell me, it still can't compare to the durability of the AK47. I have yet to see it in real life. I have yet to see it uncut in videos. I have a challenge out there for any of you AR-15 guys that want to prove any kind of durability of your rifle. 120 rounds, uncut footage, rapid fire. If you guys have no jams, I will admit that your AR is as superior as an AK. Not more, as. And the power of a 7.62 x 39 round is actually pretty hardcore. Take a look at this.
Go.
Go.